Hello students. So today I will start with you with the civics of chapter 2 for class 8, that is ideals of our constitution. This is Priyanka Sanyal from TIGPS Siliguri. So student, let us start with the last part of the topic. Fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by the 42nd Amendment in 1976. It is essential for the smooth functioning of the society. Every citizen who enjoys the fundamental rights should also strive to perform the fundamental duties. Now we will know basically what does fundamental duties based upon, or what is there in the fundamental duties. Fundamental duties of the Indian citizens. Basically, following are the fundamental duties: to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India, to promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities, to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women, to protect and improve the natural environment, including forests, lakes, rivers, and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures, to safeguard public property and to abjure violence, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so, to value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. So, these are the fundamental duties of Indian citizens. So, students, I hope you have understood the video. We have basically learned about the fundamental duties. So, thank you, class. Stay safe and stay well.